really what we're setting out, and what I want to bring to the fore for the election campaign, is that there's a vision of Skibbereen with a plastic factory and everything that goes with it. And there's a vision of Skibbereen without a plastics factory and everything that goes with it. What I'll need is everybody to ask people they know to put the environment number one and put the campaign number one and vote for me. So thanks a million for all your support. Tell everybody to vote for Brendan, and we'll try and navigate a different direction into the future for Skibbereen and West Cork. Thanks.